Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a crochet coin purse. For this project you need thread, beads, crochet needle number 1, fabric, scissors, a coin purse clasp, needle, thread and nylon thread. Let's start by inserting the beads we are going to use in the crochet thread. Once all the beads are in the thread, let's start our crochet pattern. Make 6 chains. Do a slip stitch in the chain 1 to make a circle. Now make 10 simple crochet around the circle. Pull the string crocheted around the circle to close the gap even more. Some people like to do increases in a perfect pattern. When you do those organized increases, you will get kind of an hexagon or octagon. In my case, I'm going to do random increases. That way I will get a perfectly round circle. So keep crocheting all around, making random increases to get a circle of the same diameter than the purse clasp. In the same way, add the beads randomly into your stitches, doing all simple crochet all the time. Now for the pattern of the lining, cut a piece of fabric the same diameter than the circle you just crocheted, and another piece for the height. Sew those pieces together, forming a bag. So now that you have reached the desired diameter, keep crocheting without increases to reach a height of approximately 5 centimeters. Once the bag is tall enough, turn around your project so that the beads could be in the outside, and insert the fabric lining in the inside. Put the edge of the fabric and the crocheted piece together and start crocheting them together all around the edge. Make an imaginary diameter line in your bag and put some markers of each extreme, so that way when you sew it, you can make it match perfectly to the clasp of the bag. Now with a needle in a transparent nylon thread, sew this edge of the bag to the clasp. And that's all. Your project is done. Give us a thumb up if you like this video. Follow our channel, and thanks for watching.